What's the difference between these phones? In this video, we're talking about the A17 5G, and also if you already have the A16 5G, is it okay to upgrade from it? So you do see the A16 5G and the A17 5G both on the Samsung's webpage. And the truth of the matter is, these are the same exact screen, same exact cameras are built in, 13 megapixel, storage and RAM are the same. It's just the color and the way that these are more integrated into the lens, where this also has the OIS, which is the ocular image stabilization built into the phone. So that's what they improved this year. That's it. So if you already have the A16 5G, no brainer, keep it for a long time. If you're looking into getting a really inexpensive Android phone, Samsung built in, and 6 years of security patches and operating system upgrades, this phone here will be it. And it's got the really nice color blue. Saying that though, as recording this video, I was able to get the Android 16 update. So they did update this. So you can get this phone really inexpensive. This could be an option. It really depends on how much you're gonna pay for either of these phones. I think on the long run, my opinion is if you have this phone, don't spend another $200 really for the same exact phone. Just built differently. Now, if you're looking to get something just a cell phone, telling you straight out, phone that able to do your social media and emails and look at YouTube's, this is good. Gonna be realistic though. These two phones, especially with the processors in there in the budget range price, you get what you get. Don't expect like the as fast as a flagship phone. These is some issues here where I've seen lag, slowing down when using the phone. So you have to understand that. But I mean, compared to other budget phones out there, like say the Motorola G2026, this has more storage in it, as well as it does have an SD card slot. So you're looking at potentially better off phone for the same price, but you're going to be upgrading this. I just don't see how Samsung's going to be able to upgrade this phone for 6 years. Yes, we'll get those upgrades, but I just don't know how fast this phone is going to be as those operating systems update. That's Samsung's problem, not ours. But if you already have this phone, skip this, please. You're buying the same exact phone. If you don't, though, this, it's the newer phone. It's inexpensive. You're probably going to be able to go to a carrier and get it for free, like everyone else, on that long run. So, what do you guys think about the Samsung A17 5G? Is this something you're going to buy? Tell me down in the comments below. Do you have a different version of the A series phone? Again, these phones are the best phones that Samsung produces worldwide because more people buy them because of the inexpensive ability. I'm gonna just tell you guys, good phone, A16 5G. If you have it, don't buy this one. Keep it, wait until next year, save yourself 200 bucks. But if you do need a phone, straight out, you don't have the A series phone yet, this is the one to purchase. I'm going to leave an affiliate link down below through Amazon. I would also tell you maybe to buy the global version of this phone. It still should work on all the carriers in the US, but you're also going to get 4 more gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabyte version. Maybe this phone will be much faster and you're going to be able to get that full 6 years. All right, before I leave you guys, if you can, please, if you haven't subscribed to my videos yet, click the subscribe button. Also, if you do like content like this, click the thumbs up. Don't forget the notifications. Tell YouTube that you like the content that I'm producing. All right, so I will see you guys in my next video. Again, this is probably my most recent video up here, as well as maybe something that you like somewhere over there.